Hey, hello, welcome guys. Welcome to Simply Up Academy. I'm so excited to have you here again. Yeah, we probably have seen before when I showed you about how things work inside of Simply Up Academy. So don't be surprised when I say again when I'm when this is just your first class in digital marketing. So if you didn't see that class where I introduced you to Simple Up Academy, how things work, you can just request it from your instructor, from your guide through the training, through the section. So this is your basic your first class in marketing, like your introduction to digital marketing class, your first class on digital marketing. So I'll say welcome again. You are on your journey to becoming a successful digital marketer. So I'll say put in all the work, okay? Put all the work that is required in going through this course from A to Z, and you're going to be amazed at how better you're going to become at the end of this wonderful training. So, all right, guys, let's just get straight into work. So, you can already see my screen. This a slide introduction to digital marketing. So, now I'm just going to press enter. So, what is digital marketing? Before I would start explaining, before you should start letting plenty things you should learn about digital marketing. I think the first step is to get to understand what digital marketing in itself is. Okay, digital marketing is one of the several forms of marketing. So some be like, God, that sounds confusing. I thought I came to learn one and you're already introducing another. Okay, but first of all, you have to understand that marketing has been an existing word before digital marketing came into place. Marketing on its own, it's a separate word, all right, and digital marketing is a compound word. Like I'm not yet to really teach English language, but just follow me, okay? Marketing is a different word entirely. Digital marketing is a different word, okay? So when you add digital to marketing, you get digital marketing. So digital marketing is a sub part of marketing. Okay, marketing is broad, all right. Marketing is very old. Marketing, when you for example, you have the idea of markets. When you go to the local markets to get your food stuff, that's market, and you see different people calling you, hey, check my place, check my place, buy from me, buy from there. So, and marketing is broad. So digital marketing is just one of the several forms of marketing, and I know we have different wrong understanding about marketing, but I would correct all that as we go through the course. So marketing does not necessarily mean, although I use the word marketplace as an example, marketing doesn't really mean anything at all like marketplace. Okay, marketing, we would understand what marketing means as we go into the course, but I just want to establish a foundation here that digital marketing is one of the several forms of marketing. Like digital marketing is separate from the word marketing. So when we hear marketing, don't mistake marketing for digital marketing. Digital marketing is only one of the several forms of marketing. So to be a good digital marketer, you should have some understanding about marketing. Not like you go to school to study marketing. No, I didn't go to school to study marketing. I studied mathematics. Okay, I'm a graduate of Delta State University. I studied mathematics, but I'm doing marketing. I'm now a guru in digital marketing. So most of the big guys I follow online, guys with names like Russell Brunson, they didn't even they didn't study anything related to marketing, yet they're the top marketer. So you don't have to be when I say you should have some understanding about marketing, I'm not saying you should go to school to study marketing or you should have studied something related to marketing. The basic understanding about marketing is what you're also going to get in this course as well. So if you feel like I didn't know anything about marketing and you took the course, well, you are okay, you are well prepared as well. We're going to give you that. But the truth is, to be a good digital marketer, you have some understanding about marketing, which you'll be receiving in this course right now. So, what is marketing? Marketing is the action or business of promoting and selling products or services. Okay, so it's the action, okay, or business of promoting and selling products or services. So, every time you see somebody promoting or trying to sell a product or a service, I didn't even finish reading that. It says it includes market research and advertising. So every time you see somebody trying to promote or sell products and services, all right, that is marketing. marketing doesn't mean you open a shop, you have a shop, you sit down, and people are coming there to patronize you in the market. No, marketing in this context, in what you're talking about in digital marketing, is actually marketing itself. Generally, is the action or business of promoting and selling products. So when talking about, so when you're trying to convince somebody to buy your product, you're actually marketing that product to them. All right, when you're trying to convince somebody to buy, you are selling, you are marketing to them. Okay, but it includes market research and it includes advertising. All right, so example of other types of marketing aside digital marketing, you have telemarketing, you have print marketing. Telemarketing is, for example, you see things where they use the media marketing, where they do advertising on television, on radio stations. All right, that's marketing in itself, but they are going through media marketing. So print marketing, for example, we have people are marketing their products, advertising their products or their services on newspapers, magazines. That's print marketing. But in the wonderful world of marketing, we have another section of marketing which is called digital marketing, which is what we are going to be studying throughout this wonderful course. And believe me, it's so going to be enjoyable and it's going to blow your mind. I so much love this topic that we're talking about now. I'm already in love with the course that we're about to get started on in digital marketing. So with that being said, let's move on to the next stuff. So now let's explain digital marketing. All right. So I already told you, gave you an idea of what marketing is. I said it is the action or business of promoting and selling. Okay, action means it's a doing, like you are doing the action or business. So you can either say it's a business of, or you can say it's the action of. So and the major things, I'm not even trying to get you to cram my exact definition word for word. You don't have to do that. All right. You will have the material, so you can always come back to this to study when you have to. But the major thing is to understand it. And let me just give this announcement heads up. Okay, the in this niche of digital marketing, there are certain things that are general. Okay, for example, when you go make a research about marketing, you may not find the same words being used online on different academies, but you find some similar trends. You find that it's the basic concepts that this person is saying. But there are other things in the niche or realm of digital marketing where people's opinions are actually different in it. Okay, so and there is no right or wrong. So I'll teach you some things based on my experience and my knowledge as a digital marketer. And you could go out, another teacher could say, okay, this is it, but this is my own preferred way to go about it. So the area of digital marketing is actually like, it's very malleable. Like, how will I put it? There are plenty areas that are subject, okay, to the that are subjective, as in subjective. So it's actually by according to the user's preference. Okay, so what I'll be teaching you is not just facts, not just even though they are facts, a lot of facts, all right, but they are tested facts. That's what makes the difference. Things that experience have gone through experience and have been shaped by experience and results throughout this course, all right. So why do I have to say that? So you don't have to be bothered when you go around and you see that when you begin your journey in the area of digital marketing and you see that one information somewhere kind of contradicts the other somewhere. Not in everything about digital marketing, but in some things in digital marketing, you're going to find out that different people have different opinions about them, and that's cool. No one is right, no one is wrong. But I would just suggest that you stick to your instructor's advice on that one. But as you grow and you begin to practice by yourself, you are free to make choice, your own choice, and free to stick what you think works best with you. All right, guys. So I've already so far we've explained, talked a little about marketing, digital marketing, and I've given you an heads up about the course, that some things are actually subjective and it's not like there's a general rule for any of them. So what is digital marketing? Digital marketing is a term used for the targeted, measurable, and interactive marketing of products or services using digital technologies to reach the viewers, turn them into customers, and retain them. Okay, the beauty of digital marketing is that you can target the bespoke audience for your business. Now, what is What have I been saying? If you read this through, maybe you get it, but I'll just tell you what I mean by all this. Digital marketing is a term used for the targeted, measurable, and interactive marketing of products or services using digital technologies. All right. So, for instance, I gave you other examples of marketing like print marketing, where you publish your adverts in the newspaper. All right. Now, for example, let's say I own a beauty salon. All right, and I I'm in Nigeria, in Lagos. So I reached out to one popular newspaper company in Nigeria called Punch. All right, and tell them, hello, please, I want you to advertise my business in your paper. And I tell them what I into. I say I own a beauty salon. This is more from beauty salon. I want you to talk about it in your paper. Just give me a small space in your paper and they charge me and I pay for it. The difference is I cannot actually control the people that that advert gets before or gets into their own hands. All right. So the the anybody can buy the newspaper. Somebody that is a banker, somebody that doesn't have a job, an 80-year-old person, a 12-year-old person. No, 12-year-old people don't. 12-year-old person will not buy a newspaper. But what I mean is that there is no specific niche. Okay, a banker will probably buy the newspaper. A politician will buy the newspaper. A lawyer will get the newspaper. Um, Mothers will get the newspaper. Fathers will get the newspaper. Everybody would, it's good. So you cannot actually control the people that see that advert. So yes, there are some persons that are going to be interested in beauty that are going to see it, but a lot of people that are not interested in beauty are going to see the advert as well. One good advantage of digital marketing is that you can actually make it targeted towards only the people that you feel will be interested in it to see it. Thereby, you are saving costs. You are not burning money on reaching people that would not be interested in your product. It's the same thing, for example, when you try to use the television to advertise your business. So let's say you put your business, you advertise the same beauty shop on on a TV program for it on with a particular TV station. So everybody's going to see it, adults, children, and everybody that is the question is everybody that is going to see that program or that advert the target audience for that business? No, the answer is no. Not everybody that is going to see it, because everybody watches TV, at least, even though the watch hour is reducing, but everybody watches TV. So when you do an advert on TV, you have the chance that old people, young people, gbogbo ero, gbogbo everybody, there is no particular, like, it's not targeted, and that's where the problem is. That's not the advantage. The goal for a successful ad is that it's measured. You want to make sure only the right people are seeing the adverts, not the people that it doesn't concern, else you'll be wasting your money because you are paying for that service. All right, so you can effectively, the beauty of digital marketing is that you can effectively track and measure the kind of people that your ads display to, that your adverts are showing to you, and not just showing to everybody. So if I want to run an ad for a beauty or a skincare products for ladies, I can target it. If I'm using digital marketing, I can target that ads to show to only women. Okay, but if I'm using media marketing, I cannot tell TV station only women should watch it. So be like, what do you mean? Everybody watches TV. So if this advert is showing on TV, then definitely both women, men, and every and children, they are going to see these adverts. All right, if you are using newspaper, the same thing. But the beautiful thing about digital marketing, where it's different from other forms of marketing, is that it can be you can have your own targeted audience. So it's actually, that's the main feature about digital marketing. So it's a term used for targeted, measurable, and interactive marketing. All right, so that's the beauty. That's what makes it different from the regular forms of marketing that were existing before it. Okay, so it's a term used for targeted, measurable, and interactive marketing of products or services using digital technologies, okay, to reach the viewers, turn them into customers, and retain them. So we'll talk about the digital technologies that we use, and how it turns them into customers and retain them later. So, but like I said, the beauty of digital marketing is that you can target the bespoke audience, a particular audience meant for your business, right? And this is a very beautiful advantage. It saves you on cost, saves you on time, saves you on everything. So we are going to say stop this video here. It's getting pretty long already. And in the next class, we are going to explain more about digital marketing and go on with the introduction to digital marketing. This is just one of it. Bye.